Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and here is the DIY full battery tester. This will allow you to test your batteries at home to see if they're good or not. And this has become one of my favorite gadgets because I love how simple this is. This is it. It's like a triangle shape and it's really small. It's about this little bit bigger than my thumb, but not overall too big, so it doesn't take up much space. And you can test most of your batteries at home. You can test your 9 volts here, and then this opens up and we can test our, let's say, AAA and AA. Now, there is a picture here indicating the minus and plus, and there's a magnet. So this will stick to the magnet, as you can see here. And then we can push that down and we'll start to get our readout. And I love how you get a happy face because this tells me that this battery is healthy. So you do have over here a toggle to toggle between 1.2, 1.5, and 1.0 volts. And so you would just toggle to the correct voltage. These AAA on the side here that they're 1.5, so I have 1.5 selected. The AA, we can also test 1.5 minus on the top, make that connection. This is coming in at 1.5 volts, get the happy face. So overall, this is a great battery tester to have in your house to make sure your batteries are still good instead of wasting and throwing out batteries and assuming that they're working or not working. Definitely, this is a great gadget to have in the house. A huge shout out to the company for gifting me this. I could do this review.